Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETFs on interactive brokers. First, you'll need to open an account and complete the application process. Make sure to fund your account with an initial deposit, which can be as low as $100. It's also crucial to enable the necessary trading permissions for ETFs within your account settings. This ensures you're ready to start investing in exchange-traded funds. Once your account is set up, navigate to the trading platform. Use the search bar to easily find ETFs by their ticker symbol or full name. Take time to research each ETF, paying close attention to details like its expense ratio, underlying holdings, and historical performance. Comparing various options will help you select funds that best match your investment strategy. After selecting an ETF, you'll need to place an order. Choose your preferred order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy or the total dollar amount you want to invest. Always review all the order details thoroughly before confirming and submitting your trade. Once your order is executed, it's important to regularly monitor your ETF's performance within your interactive broker's portfolio. Keep an eye on market trends and consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial goals. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.